designers, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So in this video I'm going to unbox my Christmas tree. So this year I decided to do a tree. I haven't done a Christmas tree in a long time, so I decided to order a tree on Amazon. It's called the Puleo Christmas tree. It comes pre-lit as well. And I also ordered this tree, I think it's 7.5 feet tall. So I decided to go big as well. So this is gonna be a very tall tree. I think my ceiling is about 8 feet tall. So I think I'm just gonna be touching the top of it. So I'm super excited to put this tree together. And if you guys wanna purchase this tree as well, of course, link is in my bio. So let's jump into this video. So you guys, before we unbox, I need to figure out where I'm gonna put the tree because my space is very limited. I was thinking of rearranging the living room, but that's too much work because I would have to take down all the wall decor, switch it, switch that, blah blah blah. So I'm going to put the tree right here. It's about 44 inches wide, so I think this is enough space. I'm gonna put that in the corner over there and then take the mirror and find somewhere to put it. I don't know, maybe I'll just hang it back on the wall, but that is the idea. So let's unbox. So what I'm gonna do right now is clean up a little bit, and I need to rearrange the furniture just a tiny bit, and then I'm going to unbox the Puleo Christmas tree.
Christmas comes to town. It's getting cold, baby. I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside.
So my dining area is all prepped. So now I'm gonna take out the Christmas tree. It comes in 3 pieces, so I'm going to do a brief reading of the instructions, see what's included in the box. It comes with additional Christmas lights and fuses, so if the tree bulbs stop working or any of the fuses stop functioning, you do have additional bulbs and fuses as well. It also comes with a stand and also screw brackets to hold the tree together. So I like that the assembly for this tree is very simple and easy.
The fire is burning bright and the snow is falling down. Honey, won't you near? In your arms that whole world disappears. 'Cause when I'm feeling down, you're there to love me right. Nothing compares to this. It's such a bliss, my only wishes. I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you and me, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, how you make it all okay. Oh, it's a magic.
As you can see, it's very simple to put this tree together. It's like 1, 2, 3. So now I'm just going to open up the branches, fluff the tree, make it look, rich, full, and elegant. I love that it comes pre-lit. At least I don't have to struggle with, decorating the tree with Christmas lights, the lights getting all tangled and all that good stuff. So I like that it's very simple. You just plug it in and it lights up. So I'm so excited to decorate this tree. Of course, the theme is going to be blue and white and silver, maybe a little bit of gold as well. I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to have fun with this tree. But let's continue to fluff this tree.
It's a magic holiday. The rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday.
promised Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You let me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
So you guys, the tree is up. I fluffed it. It looks fabulous. So the next thing on my list is to actually decorate it. So last year's theme was blue. So I don't know how it's gonna work in this space for this year, especially with this tree, because I didn't have a tree last year. So I may have to buy ornaments just for the tree, but I am super happy with the tree. As you can see, it's 7.5 feet tall. I'm 5'2", so this tree is pretty tall. My ceiling is 8 feet tall, so it's perfect. I'm so happy with the tree. So, you know, I put up my tree early this year. It's still Halloween weekend. I noticed that time is flying really fast, so I'm trying to savor and cherish these days, because everything is just going by so fast. So I wanted to, you know, have a longer season this year, because by the time you blink, the season is over and we're on to the new year. So I'm super excited to share my next video with you guys. I'm gonna decorate for the holidays. So that's the next video coming up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.